How to suppress the spread of coronavirus? Lessons can be drawn from one of the Asia's developed countries, Singapore. Countries like USA, UK, Italy, Hong Kong, and India can learn a lot from Singapore on how to fight against coronavirus. So today on NedBuzz, we are going to talk and analyze about the model of Singapore in fighting against COVID-19. Singapore is receiving a lot of praise from around the world on the model it is working to fight against the coronavirus. To begin with, Singapore officials have been screening and quarantining all travelers from outside the country since the beginning of the pandemic. In a city-state of 5.7 million people, Singapore has had 140 people dedicated to contact tracing, working in coordination with the police. A month ago, it could test 2,000 people each day. And their method of contact tracing is appreciable. Every time they identify an infection, they commit to determining its origin in 2 hours. They post online where identified infected people work, live, and have spent time so that potential contacts can be identified. They enforce quarantines and isolation of such contacts with criminal charges for those who violate orders. And you may get surprised, but in the last week only, Singapore has put the entire country into lockdown, under which all migrant workers are confined to their compounds for at least 2 weeks. Citizens may leave their homes, but only to buy food or medicine or to exercise. But if anyone breaks the rules, can be imprisoned and fined up to Rs 5 lakh. So, with great transparency, faith in government, stringent quarantine rules, timely tests, public awareness campaigns with cartoons have made Singapore model work for their public. And that is why the country is only 3,700 cases with 652 recovered and 10 deaths. No wonder why it is receiving praise from all around the world and why other countries should adopt its model.